Everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic country home decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic country home decor is an interior design style that blends the cozy, rustic charm of country living with the soft, elegant appeal of vintage elements. It creates warm, inviting spaces that feel both lived in and thoughtfully crafted. Here is a breakdown of what defines this style. Key characteristics. First, color palette. Use soft muted tones like ivory, cream, shush cream, dusty rose, peely blue, and warm beige. Use earthed neutrals and faded pastels. Give it a time-worn feel. Next, furniture. Antique or distressed pieces with ornate detailing, mix of old finishes, often painted and then gently sanded to reveal or shabby chic look. Farmhouse-style tables, upholstered armchairs, and vintage vanities also uses. Materials. Use natural and aged materials like reclaimed oat, earth iron, linen, cotton, lace, and chintz. Wicker, galvanized metal, and enamel are also common. Decorative elements use floral prints, tall fabrics, embroidered pillows. Also use mismatched china, vintage clocks, messengers, bird cases, and glass bottles. Print botanical prints, antique mirrors, and lace curtains. Textures and layers. Cozy textiles. Use knitted throws, ruffle beading, and layered chunks. Mix smooth vintage glass or porcelain with rough wood and wood for contrast. Lighting. Use soft ambient light. Candlelights with our own finish, table lamps with linen shades, and candle sconces. Lantern style lighting or repurposed vintage fixtures. Vibe and atmosphere. Vintage country decor feels nostalgic, like stepping into a lovingly preserved countryside cottage. Feminine but not fussy, with delicate patterns and a lived-in elegance. Homey and romantic, with a strong sense of personal history and comfort. Common rooms to use it in. First, living room is overstuffed couches, vintage trunk, coffee tables, and floral cushions. Kitchen use open shelving with antique dishes, vodka block countertops, and apron front sink. Bedroom use iron bed frames, embroidered quilts, and vanity tables. Entryway use rustic vents, antique mirror, and wicker baskets. Origins and influence. Vintage country style draws from multiple traditions. First, French country, romantic and elegant, with a rustic edge, tactile fabrics, ornate ironwork, and soft pastel colors. English cottage, quiet and cozy, often with florals, handmade touches, and emphasis on comfort. American farmhouse, practical and homey, using salvaged materials, modern furniture, and homespun charm. Shabby, popularized in the 1980s to 1990s, a distinctive feminine, time-worn aesthetic using repurposed furniture, faded colors, and ornate vintage pieces. Key design elements expanded, furniture reclaimed, vintage or distressed old furniture. Painted furniture with own finishes like chalk paint is popular. Mix and match pieces that look inherited or collected over time. Decor accessories, repurposed items like old ladders used as blanket racks, vintage picture frames, and antique books, candle holders, also enamel pictures, rustic stories like wooden crates or baskets. Patterns, florals, especially faded roses or peonies, gingham, plaid, shawl, and polka dots, hand stitched or embroidered linens. Wall treatments, paintwood paneling or shiplap, with soft wallpaper patterns, florals, birds, or damask, chalky or embossed paint finishes. Flooring, use natural wood or whitewashed planks. Their trunks, jute, under floral or Persian style rugs. How to achieve the look? Start with a neutral base. Use warm whites or crease walls to create a soft backdrop. Sentiment vintage pages, an antique dresser, an old drawer as wall art or rustic table. Mix old and new, combine vintage finds with modern lighting or sleek elements to avoid feeling dated. Then layer textiles, it contains straws and cushions, and soft prints or lace. Wall art, having vintage botanical illustrations, black and white portraits, or distressed mirrors. Greenery, the spotted herbs, dried lavender, eucalyptus, or fox florals for a fresh touch. Ideal for certain types of homes, cottages, farmhouses, cabins, small suburban homes that need more personality. But the right styling, you can adapt vintage chic to urban apartments or modern homes by keeping the palette muted and focusing on texture and detail rather than clutter. Deeper emotional and lifestyle appeal, vintage country decor is not just about the style, it reflects a slower, more intentional way of living. Nostalgia, it evokes memories of simpler times, family traditions, or rural life, even if you did not grow up with it. Romanticism, the soft, own finishes, and floral touches bring a gentle, poetic feeling to the home. Cozy simplicity. There is an emphasis on warmth, comfort, and spaces that feel truly lived in and welcoming. Room by room inspiration. Living room. Use velvet coffee table, ruffle or floral slip covers. Also use gallery wall with vintage portraits, landscapes, or pressed flowers. A large mirror with an antique frame to reflect natural light. Kitchen. Open shelving with mismatched china, glass jars, and copper pans. A farmhouse sink and a freestanding island made from reclaimed wood. Winter snacks like bakery, fresh eggs, and floral tea towels. Dining room, a rustic wood table with mismatched chairs, some painted. An antique hut or sideboard displaying your precious dishes. Bedroom, iron or oak bed frame with soft linens and floral quilts. Is vintage vanity with a round mirror, soft lighting from glass lamps or candle sconces. Bathroom, use cloth tub if space allows, soft pastel walls or floral wallpaper. Use wicker baskets and glass jars for storage. Textiles matter a lot. Textiles are where this style really comes alive. Bedding, use ruffle shawls, vintage patchwork quilts, and lace trimmed shirts. Contains light flowing fabrics, cotton, linen, or lace. Pillows mix florals with soft checks and faded solids. Handmade or embroidered designs are a bonus. Furniture imperfect is perfect. Embrace the charm of ease and perfection. Don't chip paint too perfectly. Chipping paint or uneven finishes add character. Look for vintage pieces at flower markets or thrift shops and pair them with neighbor accessories to balance old and new. Use furniture with curves, turned legs, or sculpted edges for more romantic silhouette. Personalizing your vintage look. This style is all about personality, so it should tell your story. Family heirlooms display your grandmother's china, old photos, and antique sewing machines. Travel finds incorporate vintage pieces from flower markets, abroad, or souvenirs with a rustic look. DIY Decor paint your own furniture, make fabric mounting or repurpose jars, and craft this into lighting or storage. Why to shop for this style? Budget or DIY? Facebook Marketplace, check the stores, antique shops, or stay. Specialty local flower markets, vendors fairs, or salvage yards. the style, fantastic country decor is not just an aesthetic, it reflects the philosophy of warmth, memory, and meaningful living. It values sustainability, using salvage or reused items instead of buying new. Storytelling, every object has a history, whether it is a handed town treasure or a flower market find. Comfort over perfection, things don't match perfectly, and that is charm. Common mistakes to avoid: overcrowding the space, too much clutter makes it feel messy, not cozy. Use vitrine and crowd your vignettes. Use only new vintage inspired items. Mix actual vintage or handmade pieces with store-bought ones for authenticity. Ignore function. Vintage pieces should be beautiful and usable. Repurpose creatively, like turning an old ladder into a towel rack. I think these ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.